How to trade options on Robinhood. So in this video I will show you how to do that. Just follow a few easy steps. Now let's get started. So first of all, open the Robinhood app, unlock your phone and open the Robinhood app. Make sure you're logged into your account, and after that search for the stock. Now at the bottom of the screen, tap on the search icon, the magnifying glass. Type the name of the stock you want to trade options on, for example Apple or Tesla. Now after that, tap on the stock name to open it. And now after that, tap on trade, then tap on trade options. So now on the stock page, tap the green button that says trade, then tap trade options. After that, if you don't see this, you may need to enable options trading first in your account settings. After that, choose an option contract. So you will see a different dates and prices. Pick a date when the option will expire, then choose the strike price. This is the price you think the stock will go up or down to. Now you can tap on buy call if you think the stock will go up, or buy put if you think it will go down. Now after that, review and swipe up to submit. Now after you pick your option, tap continue and ensure how many contracts you want to buy, then tap review and swipe up to submit your order. Now, so this is how to trade options on Robinhood. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.